Hello guys, konnichiwa. Welcome to Unboxing Japan with Ren. Just to give you a brief idea about our channel, we're going to unbox all the products in Japan, which include toys, educational toys, books, magazine, food, operations, and even more in the future. So make sure to stay tuned by liking and subscribing our channel. One of the items that I had to bring it with me all the time when I was in school was actually eraser. Well, I mean, I try to collect many shapes, many colors, many rubbers, many erasers as much as possible because I can just lose to my friends without showing them how many rubbers, how fancy they are. Today with me, I found this interesting eraser DIY kit. I'm not pretty sure how it will look like and how it will turn out, but we will see about that. So let's go! Also, we have more products to unbox coming up. We upload new videos, TikTok, and shorts weekly as well, so make sure to check it out. Your like and subscribe will be very appreciated. So, yoroshiku onegai shimasu! So these are all the erasers that we have made so far. I think we did pretty good, especially these two are really cute, as you can see here. And also the first Pokeball I made, I think, yeah, it looks good so far, yeah. And so make sure if you really love to collect erasers, make sure to buy this kit, try one at your home and with your friends or your family, and let us know in the comment what kind of shape you made so far, alright? So until the next video, I hope you stay healthy and also don't forget to like and subscribe our channel as well. See you then, mata ni, bye bye!